Well, it is Monday and I am back in the office. Last week we had a little bit of an issue with our technology and I was not doing some videos. But with that said, we are back. It is spring break for a lot of schools and a lot of kids are off and people are home with their families. Some people have taken off this week and we plan on putting out a lot of content this week. Obviously, we'll always come out with our weekly e-update, which went out this past Friday. It goes out every Friday to over 3,000 of our current and former clients. Put out 2 recent blogs on common client questions that we have taken over the last 10 or so years from clients. We found that a lot of clients ask the same questions in a lot of areas. So my two recent blogs address 2 very important issues, one involving illegal drugs or narcotics. I break down some of the most common questions in that area, explain the difference between distribution and possession and the gravity of those offenses and what the state, or in the case of Pennsylvania, the Commonwealth needs to establish beyond a reasonable doubt. We get into the need or lack of need for an expert at trial or doing the initial phase of the investigation where police may or may not have observed transactions. Then in the other article, we talk about sentencing. Obviously, you hire an attorney to win cases, but no law firm is perfect. And sentencing, unfortunately, is a part of some cases, and you need to be prepared for it. Also, there are also cases where the evidence is simply overwhelming, and working out a plea with the state or the Commonwealth is in the client's best interest. So it requires the attorney to have a firm understanding of sentencing guidelines and how a judge will sentence based on that judge's particular sentencing philosophy, but also the client's previous history and what you hope to achieve at the sentencing. Just because you're being sentenced doesn't mean that the case necessarily is going to work out in a bad way for you. We've achieved some great results at sentencing from individuals who are looking at county sentences and end up getting probation, and even people who are looking at state sentences, in some cases getting house arrest or even probation in some cases. I was in court today in Delaware County, Pennsylvania, and then I actually had 2 virtual appearances. We're still doing virtual appearances in a lot of places. One of the benefits of virtual court, however, is that I can be in a lot of places very quickly. So for instance, today, after going into Delaware County for a live court appearance, I actually appeared in Camden County, New Jersey, virtually. And then this afternoon, I appeared in Central County, Pennsylvania, up in State College, representing a Penn State student up there for a proceeding virtually. So if you have questions about illegal guns or drugs, look at our common questions on the website, gambonelaw.com. Our phone number, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at the website, gambonelaw.com. You can sign up for our free weekly update because that's over 3,000 of our current and former clients. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. It's a great resource, our website. Hope to talk to you all soon and have a great week.